right before this clip you're about to see, seen a couple other military choppers. Usually they go back and forth this route, but today I seen a couple of them going that way. It's probably a military base way out there in the desert or something, but yeah, I thought that was a little different. And then this particular chopper that we're looking at has a trippy I don't know what it is on the side of it, some sort of camouflage or what. And the crazy lady that was kind of talking to me and at the same time wasn't, and she was asking what I was recording and this and that, and she was out there anyway. I don't know.
Wow, those fools, stop ignoring me, you son of a bitch! Where are you recording?